Hey, this is Katty Customs and we're back at it again working on a Jordan 1. And today we'll be working with pearlescent colors, pearlescent Prince Purple and pearlescent Emerald Green. First what we're going to do is deglaze the shoe. The reason why I prep the shoe with the deglazer is because you want to take off the factory coat that they put on the shoes, so that way when you add your Angelus paint, it'll stick onto the shoe. That's very important so you can keep the shoes from cracking or peeling when you're walking in the custom. So with this custom, it's slightly different. When using pearlescent colors, I like to paint the shoe black because it uses less coats and it makes the colors stand out. And as you can see, I don't use any tape. If you're a beginner, I highly suggest that you tape the shoe. Okay, now that the shoes are all black, now it's ready for the Prince Purple. And usually for this, it takes about 2 to 3 coats. I like to use thin layers so it could be even coats around the whole shoe. Also, I did the detail of the wings on the side, the Air Jordan sign. Did with emerald green, and I did the outlining in the flat black. Just finished the last touches of the Jordan 1s. Now it's ready for leather laces from LaceLab. So here's the finished product of the Jordan 1s. I really love how they came out. And I definitely love the black leather laces from LaceLab to top it off. Please subscribe and like on the Angelus brand page. And thank you for watching.